Panjim, and it's approximately 11:45 now. We had gone for a party at Casper Diet, but the party was successful. Now we are traveling back to home. So we have reached currently at Kampal, near the Directorate of Health. It is at Kampal, just somewhere near to the Forest Department and the Forest Hotel. And this is the night view of Panjim. So we are in the Panjim at Kampal. So on my right is the Panjim city and the Panjim market, and currently I have Inox on my right, and on the left we have Mandavi river, on which there are many casino vessels in the Mandavi. Big Daddy, Small Daddy, whatever. This one. Okay, and there are many casinos. You can see here they are in the Mandavi river. And this is the ferry point. Goa government has a ferry boat service for common man. Anyone can travel from Panjim to Betim, which is just on the other side of the Mandavi river. So if you want to travel from Panjim to Betim, and you want to go somewhere in Purvarim or maybe in Kalangut, etc., you can do that via ferry boat. And there are no much charges, no any charges for passengers and for your two-wheelers. There could be few nominal fees for the four-wheelers. See, it's 11:45 and we are in Panjim, and there is a rush in Panjim. There are many people going here and there. Some are in casino, some are going back to their home from the office, like casino or some other tourist places. And Panjim is the capital city of Goa. Yes, as I said, on my left is the Mandavi river, and in front you could see Atal Setu. So there are three bridges connecting Porvorim, Bardej. So Bardej is a taluka in North Goa, connecting Bardej taluka, Porvorim village, Porvorim, and on the other side we have Tiswari taluka. It is Panjim. Porvorim, Bardej, and Panjim, Tiswari are connected by Atal Setu, the biggest and newest bridge on the Mandavi river. And we have two other bridges which were built many years ago. And on the left there are some flags. I think some big event is happening, and this is what we are seeing is the boat cruise complex. So there is a boat cruise ride where it's meant for the tourist, showcases the Goan dances, music and culture traditions by repeating the same in the dance. And so this is the Divza circle. On my right is the Divza circle. So this location is Divza circle, and above is the bridge. And we would see a map, the Panjim bus stand, and on my left is the garden. So in the night you won't be able to see because there is no light in that. In the day, if you come to Panjim near bus stand, you can definitely go to the garden. It's very big garden, and we have a nice temple, Hanuman temple you would see here, and on my right there is a Sai Baba temple also, and there are many shops, etc. And on my right there is a Hanuman temple, which is just on the near the Panjim bus stand. And on my right we have the Panjim bus stand, from which there are many buses flying within the city, within the Goa state, and across Goa, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and neighboring states. This is the main bus stand in Panjim, and we are on the oldest bridge, Mandavi Bridge, which is above the Mandavi River. So this is the Mandavi Bridge, and on the top there is the new Atal Setu, and on the right hand side we have other bridge. It was the second bridge which was built on the Mandavi. So first is one which we are on, and on the right there is the second bridge, and the purple light what you see, that bridge is named as Atal Setu, and it is newly built by great leader. It was an initiative by great leader, late Mr. Manohar Parrikar sir, who was a very great leader, political leader, and was an ex-chief minister as well as ex-defense minister of India. And so we have reached from Panjim Chiswari, and now we are at Porvarim, somewhere near the Betim, in the Bardej Taluka. On my left we have a big wholesale fish market, and that road goes to Kandolim, Baga, Kalangut, Nerul, etc. And if we go straight, we will reach Porvarim, Mapsa, Kulwale, Thargal, and all the other regions, Shiolim, Kalangut, etc. Yes, Kalangut as well. So because this road also goes to the Kalangut. So this is the main highway, NH66 National Highway, connecting Goa, Maharashtra,